What an exciting day. The roof on the treehouse has finally got installed. Thank you, roofer. He did a great job. It took a couple of years, but we're finally at this stage and I'm so excited. All we need to do is the door and then inside and paint the outside when it's all done. So I will share that when the project is complete. For now, I'm just so excited to share that the roof got installed. Now we can play in the playhouse when it rains and not have to worry about any rain coming through. Thank you, roofer.